Faced by the COVID-19 pandemic that struck much of the world in 2020, the All England Lawn Tennis Club, which governs the Wimbledon Tennis Championships, cancelled its event. It could have postponed it, but cancellation meant it could collect on pandemic insurance, which some reports put as high as £250 million. In contrast, the French Open, which we understand had no such insurance, could face losses some put at €260 million. We can't say whether the managers of the French Open had considered a pandemic as a risk to their business. If they had, then they chose to tolerate it. The All England Club identified the risk, assessed the impact on its business, evaluated the cost of insurance, and chose to treat the risk by buying that insurance. This course will show you how to do the same. We'll start by asking you, what is at risk? What is it you're trying to do? What is it you're trying to achieve? Is it a project that you're managing that has to deliver some outputs, or a program that has to establish some outcomes and realize some benefits? Is it a business at the business level that has to achieve some objectives? And what is it that could impact your success? And how likely are those risks likely to happen? How would you describe them in words? And how would you describe the actions you can take to mitigate the risks, by which we mean to make them less likely or reduce their impact? And when you have all these, which ones will you treat and which will you tolerate? But words aren't enough. We'll show you how to move from word descriptions to numbers. We'll show you how you can collect the expertise and insights from your team and express these as 3-point estimates of the probability of each risk striking and of the impact on your success. We'll give you a risk register to put this all in, which will generate 1,000 different scenarios from your risks to give you a profile for your aggregate risk exposure. This is called Monte Carlo simulation and is in the spreadsheet without any special add-ins. In fact, without any add-ins at all. We'll show you how to analyze the aggregate risk exposure to direct you to where you should treat and where you should tolerate risks. We'll show you how to calculate the effect of your mitigations on your risk exposure, so you can see the cost of these mitigations and the residual risk, that is, the risk that still remains. Does this sound difficult? It isn't. If you can open and navigate a spreadsheet, you have all the skill you need to learn how to manage risk with Monte Carlo analysis. So why not put your risk management into action now? Sign up now for risk management with Monte Carlo analysis.